Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today now next question is the find equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So find equation, the second case, find equation of the line passing through 2 points. So use the second formula, 2-point form. Second case is 2-point form. 2-point form of equation. Okay. Two points, these are 2 points. So use formula y2 minus y equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, this one, and multiply with x2 minus x. So in this one, this x, y and these x, these are 2 variable of required equation, but here x1, y1, x2, y2, these are values from this one, given points. Okay, this is x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So according to formula, put the values y2 minus 1 minus y minus 1 minus y1, y1 means minus 3, divided by x2 9 minus x1 which is minus 5, and here x2 9 and minus x. Okay, this one, x and y same as, because these are 2 variables of our required equation, and other is values of 0.1 and 0.2. So calculate these, minus 1 minus minus plus 3, 9 plus 5, 9 minus x, and here minus 1 minus y. It becomes 2 over 14, cancel with each other, (1 over 7), 9 minus x. 7 is the divide, it becomes a multiple. (9 minus x). Okay. So solve this. 7 multiply with this equation, it becomes a minus 7. So 7 multiply with this one, minus 7 minus 7y equal 9 minus x. So separate x and y, minus x, it becomes a plus x, minus 7y, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is the 16, x minus 7y. So this is the format, this is our final result. Or also can write x minus 7y minus 16 equals 0. Okay. So student, this is the format and this is our final result. This is the equation. Find the equation of a line passing through these 2 given points. Okay. So by using this formula, 2-point form of equation, okay, and put the values, and finally the result is x minus 7y minus 16 equal to 0. So I hope so you understand this question, this equation, and if you have any problem then you can mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.